That really depends again. So because every change is really hyper specific to the other apps that surround it, if the niche is very competitive, another app that has the keyword will probably take your space very quickly. Maybe not very quickly as an overnight, but very quickly as within those 2 to 3 weeks that I mentioned. And then you have to regain it, and that becomes a little bit more difficult to actually get that. The kind of the trick, I would say, is to find the keywords where you're not ranking very well, and those you want to change. So the ones that do work, you want to keep. The ones that don't, you want to change. Now, an even kind of more clever trick is when you're thinking about changing your metadata before you go to the name, before you even go to the subtitle, try the keyword list. So use the keyword list as an experimental way to see if you can even make it in a keyword. If you see, so change the keyword list. It has much lower impact, and so you shouldn't drop immediately, as in what would happen when you change the name of the app. And then once you see any sort of changes with the keyword list, they're going to be minimal, but they're going to be more than nothing. Then you can tell if it's going to be better or worse. It takes a little bit more time, but it's kind of like A/B testing. You want to do it before so you avoid calamity. I have seen mistakes where people accidentally deleted a whole set of localized keywords from their app, and lost all those keywords, all those ranks. And then when they put it back, it actually didn't. It took forever to come back. And some strategies were necessary to actually get it back to where it was before. So I would say drastic changes where the keywords are important and primary, I would start with the keyword list and work my way up.